In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a matrix of drop-downs question with Surveymonkey. Whether you're gathering detailed input for scheduling, planning, or simply looking to streamline data collection, Surveymonkey's matrix of drop-downs feature provides a versatile solution. To start, you'll first need to log into Surveymonkey. This can be done from any browser. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to your survey. You'll find it in your dashboard. After locating it, click on the survey title to open it. Now look for the design survey section. It's your go-to area for adding and modifying questions to craft precisely what your survey needs. Once there, decide where you'd like to insert your new matrix. You can always change this later if necessary, but having a draft plan in mind is helpful. When ready, hit the plus new question button. Surveymonkey offers a variety of question types, but for our purpose, you'll choose matrix of drop-down menus. This option is particularly powerful because it allows respondents to interact with a grid of drop-downs, offering multiple dimensions of response in a compact format. Next, add your question text. This part sets the context for your respondents. For instance, you might want to know about their availability throughout the week, so you could write something like, please select your availability for each day. The clearer your question, the more accurate your responses will be, so it's crucial to be concise yet descriptive. Now, onto the rows. These are the items or entries you want respondents to evaluate, which will form the backbone of your matrix. You might enter something like the days of the week, Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday. After defining the rows, it's time to add columns. Your columns will consist of the drop-down options that appear for each row. A crucial step, as these options are what respondents will select from. For instance, you might use time slots such as 9 AM, 11 AM, and 1 PM, 3 PM if you're planning meetings. Or perhaps team members' names like Anna, John, and Mike if you're coordinating staff schedules. For an additional layer of precision, consider making individual rows required. This prompts respondents to select an option for every row, ensuring no data is overlooked. However, this step is optional and depends on the nature and requirements of your survey. Once you've structured your matrix, it's time for the final step. Clicking Save. This step secures all the meticulous details you've inputted and officially adds your matrix of drop-downs question to your survey. Using this feature effectively can enhance both the quality and depth of the data you collect, providing rich insights from your audience. Don't hesitate to revisit any step if adjustments are needed. Thank you for watching, and good luck with creating a more interactive and informative survey on Surveymonkey.